The question occurs on the nomination of Amy Coney Barrett of Indiana to be Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. A senator. Is there a sufficient second? There is a sufficient second. The clerk will call the roll.
Mr. Alexander. Aye. Ms. Baldwin. No. Mr. Barrasso. Aye. Mr. Bennett. Mrs. Blackburn. Aye. Mr. Blumenthal. No.
On this vote, the yeas are 52, the nays are 48. The nomination of Amy Coney Barrett of Indiana to be an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States is confirmed.
Mr. President.
Minority Leader.
Today, Monday, October 26, 2020, will go down as one of the darkest days in the 231-year history of the United States Senate. Let the record show that tonight the Republican Senate majority decided to thwart the will of the people and confirm a lifetime appointment to the Supreme Court in the middle of a presidential election after more than 60 million Americans have voted. Let the record show that tonight the Republican majority will break 231 years of precedent and become the first majority to confirm a Supreme Court justice this close to Election Day. And let the record show that tonight, the Republican majority will make a mockery of its own stated principle that the American people deserve a voice in the selection of Supreme Court justices, completing the partisan theft of 2 seats on the Supreme Court using completely contradictory rationales. And let the record show that the American people, their lives and rights and freedoms, will suffer the consequences of this nomination for a generation.
This is not about separation of powers. It's a hostage situation. A hostage situation. Elections come and go. Political power is never permanent, but the consequences could be cataclysmic if our colleagues across the aisle let partisan passions boil over and scorch the ground rules of our government. The framers built the Senate to be the nation's firewall. Over and over, this institution, our institution, has stood up to stop recklessness that could have damaged our country forever. So tonight, colleagues, we're called on to do that again. Tonight, we can place a woman of unparalleled ability and temperament on the Supreme Court. We can take another historic step toward a judiciary that fulfills its role with excellence, but does not grasp after power that our constitutional system intentionally assigns somewhere else. And we can stand loud and clear that the United States Senate does not bow to intemperate threats. Voting to confirm this nominee should make every single senator proud. So I urge my colleagues to do just that.